and I walk into the bathroom and I'm hearing something that sounds like a light buzzing or something got left on. And I got concerned because it was like, well, it was kind of muffled. And I'm like, is it behind the wall? And so I'm trying to go everywhere. And that same acoustic thing that you're talking about was getting me because I could have sworn this buzzing was coming from behind the shower.
See, when I heard it, it was near my vanity.
It was coming from Jody's vanity. I finally reached in the drawer and found the culprit. Can I say what the culprit was?
Sure. Yeah, I'm not ashamed.
It was Jody's bikini shaver.
It's in a drawer. I must have reached in to get like something, my contacts, and I shut the door.
Heading to the beach, are we?
And it turned on. So it's like buzzing. And I was like, well, I don't know what it is. I'm going to let him know.
But you gave
I
up.
get home and I did give up because I didn't know what it was.
Hey, it must have been running for 2 days, and we're lucky it didn't cut up everything in that drawer.